She implements her next rule to help motivate the kids to do their chores.
Okay, I would wash dishes. Wash dishes. There you go. And here's the table. Then, you guys. If Belinda and George keep up on the chore stick, the kids will want to help, and it'll be easier on all the parents. Okay, so you get 2, and you have 5. Isn't that so good? Earning your own money? Nice house, you guys.
Hello, can I help you? With his newfound fortune, Seth decides to show his dad some appreciation.
Daddy, can I have something?
What do you got? Case one, huh?
Yeah.
Where did you get the money for that? Mr. Stick money from me? Thank you. Come on. Grouping up like that. This week I had a lot of extra dogs. A lot of extra dogs from Berthold. That's one of the best things that happened this week.
In Tennessee, Belinda has finally gotten away to spend more time with his girls.
There's a lot of love in this house.
And at the end of the week, she imposes her final rule change and has the entire family play a bonding game together.
So when I throw you the ball, you have to tell me something that nobody knows about you. I'll start off. My favorite ice cream is coffee ice cream.
I was thinking kidnapping my room.
Wow, the secrets are coming out. I'm pregnant.
The whole family realized that we're not as close as we should be. I thought I can talk to my dad easier now.
I hope that the Jeffrey girls learn to look within themselves a little more than not to worry so much about how they look.
I can spend more time with my dad if I actually liked it. Dad?
Coming up, the couples finally come face to face across the table.
The rule change came, I fell. 2 barrels down my children's throats. Bend over, here it comes.
Hi, I'm fitness celebrity Jennifer